how to hide or unhide files and folders in laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily hide your files and folders on your laptop. First things first, go to your file explorer and then go to the place where you want to hide the file and folders, and then select the file or folder that you want to hide, right click on it, and then go to properties. And here you'll see the hidden option, tap on it, and then hit apply. Now you can either choose to apply changes to this folder only or apply changes to this folder, subfolders, and files. So you can just hit OK. And now this folder will be hidden. Now to view it, you need to go to the view option on the top, and then you can see show, tap on it, and you can see hidden items. So uh, like this, you'll be able to hide or unhide the files and folders. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.